And moving on to another breaking news input coming in a move to address escalating tensions along the India-Bangladesh border. Bangladesh's Ministry of Foreign Affairs summoned Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh, Pranay Verma, to discuss recent border-related issues. In fact, the meeting is believed to have begun close to 3 p.m. And do remember that this comes at a time that we're seeing the two nations essentially engaged in a little bit of a tussle over fencing issues at the border. It also comes at a time that India is also very closely monitoring the border situation with Bangladesh, given the regime change in the country, which has led to influx of several Bangladeshis into Indian territory. And in the view of the same, we're learning that given these concerns have been raised by the Bangladesh authorities as well, now we're learning this meeting began close to 3 p.m. after Bangladesh's Ministry of Foreign Affairs summoned the Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh, Pranay Verma. I want to go across to Siddhant Mishra joining us with more details. Siddhant, tell us about this fencing issue that continues to be a contentious one between India and Bangladesh, and what really are you picking up from your sources was brought to the table when the two diplomats interacted a little while earlier?
Well, Pranay Verma was at the Foreign Ministry's office in Dhaka for about 45 minutes. And in fact, this is what the media in Bangladesh is reporting, that he was summoned by the Foreign Ministry. In fact, he met the Foreign Secretary. And after meeting Foreign Secretary, he addressed the Bangladesh media regarding the issues. And Pranay Verma said that, and I quote him, that we have an understanding with regard to.
Okay, don't have a very clear line with Siddhant. We'll reconnect with him in just a bit to try and understand what really transpired during this meeting. But yes, there have been tensions, and India also very closely monitoring the situation. But this was Indian High Commissioner to Bangladesh, Pranay Verma, who briefly expressed, as Siddhant was pointing out, the hope that understanding between the two border forces will be implemented in a cooperative approach to combat the crimes along the border. This discussion took place between him and Foreign Secretary Jashim at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on India's commitment to ensuring a crime-free border and effectively addressing the challenges as well. So